Most developers know df for disk space, but there is a flag you absolutely cannot skip. The command you need is def, which stands for disk free. It is the standard Unix command for reporting how much disk space is used and available across all your mounted file systems. Run def by itself, and you will see several columns: the file system name, total size, space used, space available, % used, and the mount point where it is accessible. This gives you a partition-level view of your entire storage, perfect for spotting which drive is nearly full. The most important flag is H for human-readable. Without it, all those sizes appear as raw 1 kilobyte blocks, nearly impossible to parse mentally. With def H, you instantly see gigabytes and megabytes. Two other useful flags. T shows the file system type like X4 or TEMFS, and I switches from block usage to inodes, which can also become a bottleneck on busy systems. Here is a critical distinction. Def and do are not the same. Def works at the file system level. It tells you how full each partition is. Do, disk usage, analyzes directories and files. Run do, shosh, on any folder to get its total size in human-readable form. Use def to check overall disk health, and do to hunt down exactly what is eating your space. In short, use def H for partition-level disk space and do sh to investigate directory sizes. Now you know exactly how to answer this in any Linux interview. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.